Before doing back massage, first spread the oil. The force must sink down. Soothe the entire back and shoulder. After spreading the oil, unblock the upper jiao along the governing vessel. The entire fingers must be open. Use our web between thumb and index finger to push. Your body needs to apply force. Next, unblock the middle jiao. For this technique, the thumb pushes horizontally downwards. You need to rely on body force. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. After pushing the middle jiao, strengthen the waist area. Overlap both hands and rub the governing vessel until warm. After rubbing until warm, soothe the entire back and shoulder. Lift and pull Feng Qi acupoint and Feng Fu acupoint. Do this position on the governing vessel a few more times. Next, unblock the bladder meridian on the left side of the spine. Be careful to push downward starting from the shoulder. Use your body to apply force. Push all the way to the waist. Strengthen the waist area. Rub the governing vessel until warm again. After finishing each movement, you should always soothe the back and shoulder. Next, push the bladder meridian on the right side. Each side can be pushed 10 to 20 times. The force must penetrate. Pay attention to the technique here. The thumb pushes horizontally downwards. Push all the way to the waist. Alternately knead and pluck left and right to strengthen. Then soothe the entire back and shoulder again. The above three meridians, the governing vessel and the left and right bladder meridians, can be done a few more times. Until the entire back feels slightly warm. Next, let's change to a different technique. Push downwards inch by inch like this. First, unblock our governing vessel. After finishing each movement, soothing is required. After soothing the back and shoulder, lift and pull Feng Qi acupoint and Feng Fu acupoint. Then unblock the bladder meridian on the left side. Thumb pushes horizontally downwards inch by inch. Soothe after pushing. The bladder meridian on the right side uses the same technique. Do 10 to 20 times. Overlap both hands and rub the governing vessel until warm. Finally, soothe the entire back and shoulder.